Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we are looking at the ZOSI C289 outdoor security camera. So this is 1080p 2 megapixel. This was very kindly sent to me by ZOSI. They did not ask me to say anything in particular, neither was I paid for this review. If you want to pick this up after watching this review, or if you want to know more about it, click the first link in the description box below. Before we start, remember, if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated, and please subscribe to watch more reviews. So this runs on the ZOSI Smart app. You could download that from the App Store or Google Play. We have some information on this side: AI human detection, two-way audio, motion detection, push notification, smart light and sound alarm, pan and tilt. So it has a pan of 355 degrees and a tilt of 140 degrees. Stream recorded video, so that's within your app. You could see the videos in there. And of course, smart app, as I mentioned before, it runs on the ZOSI Smart app. In this video, of course, we will look at the app and I will show you daytime and nighttime footage as well. This is everything that was included inside the box. You get a sticker to put on your window, a mounting template, quick start guide, power supply. Of course, I'm in the UK, so mine is a 3-pin one. I think it's 3 meters. I'm not 100% sure. But as I mentioned before, click the first link in the description box below for more information. It's a barrel type one. Mounting hardware. This cap is to use if you are going to run the camera with an Ethernet cable. So you'd use an Ethernet cable. One end of the RJ45 cable would go here and the other end would go to your NVR box. You will not need the power supply. Put this on so no water will get in there. That's where the power supply would go. Put that there. Under this cap, we have the reset button. So make sure you close everything properly before you install the camera outside. So this sticker here is letting us know it's a 2 megapixel wireless camera. So the wireless part is you do not need to connect this to your router or router. You can run this off Wi-Fi and it will only run on the 2.4 gigahertz network. And where my thumb is, we have the QR code there. 2 antennas, so better Wi-Fi reception. We've got the mounting holes here, if I just move them down. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 mounting holes. If I just turn the camera that way. So as you can see, this has 8 lights, 4 at the top and 4 at the bottom. So the ones that are normal colored, they're the infrared ones. And the ones that are sort of yellow, they light up. So this does have color night vision. So if you mount this somewhere where you do not have enough light, this will be really good because it will light up and you will get a clear image. 3.6mm lens. That's the little microphone there. And the bottom here, if I just remove this, that's where the SD card would fit. So it does take up to 128 GB micro SD card. It's not included, you will have to get your own. This does have cloud storage, so it's free for 30 days and then after that you will need to pay for it. And at the back we have a speaker. Okay, let's make a start at setting this up. So as you can see, I have already downloaded the app. I'm going to use the power supply. If I scroll down, C289, scan QR code, add an unconnected device. I just put my password in off camera. It's going to generate a QR code now.
Configuration succeed.
Now just wait and hopefully it should add.
Wireless connecting. Please wait.
Before I mount the camera, I thought I'll show you these little toggles at the front. If I just tap the screen, we have pause there. That's for speaker, but I'll leave that muted because I'm too close, I'll get feedback. And that's standard definition or high definition. That depends on how strong your internet is. And the one next to that, the last one, that will turn the screen around. At the top, we have date and time. Then on the right hand corner, we have branding. Here, that's hold to talk. That takes a picture. It will get saved to the app, media, and on your SD card. The one next to that will start recording. The fourth one, that's a really good one. That's if I push that. So it counts down from 60 seconds. The last one, as you can see, that's preset. So we could set up to 4 presets. We have a little control pad down here. So as you can see, the camera is mounted outside. I just thought we'll have a quick look at the other features within the app. So if I click on this gear, you could create a password. You could share this device as well. So with friends and family, they need to download the ZOSI Smart app. You will still remain the main admin, so they can't make any changes. But just say if you're going on holiday somewhere where you don't have any Wi-Fi, then they can keep an eye on your property without actually coming to the property. Message settings. Smart detection. So alert push notification, I have that off. If I turn that on, every time there's a motion, it will push a notification on the phone. So here you could set the motion detection sensitivity as well. By default, it's a medium. I've left it on medium. We have detection area. Now this is a good one. So by default, the full area is covered. So if anything happens within that full area, I will receive a notification. However, just say if I want to select a specific area. So if I click on the erase, so now the camera will only send me a notification, the right hand side and then the left hand side, and then one in between, it will not send me notification for that. That is a good feature to have. So say if your camera is slightly towards your neighbor's property and you don't want to get notifications, whatever movement is happening over there, you could select this and then you will only get notifications for the specific area you have picked. It's a really good feature. So I've pressed delete, so at the moment nothing is getting covered. You need to confirm that. Then we have sound and light. As I showed you before, whenever someone comes past the camera, it will sound an alarm and the light will go off as well. You could select the volume for that. It has human tracking. So I've set that now. Whenever it sees a human, it will start tracking. The camera will start moving, and it will also send me a push notification if I enable that. That's a good feature, that it won't give you any false notifications. So when there's animals or trees moving or anything, it won't send a notification for that. Then we have AI detection. So if I click on that, so you need to pay for this. It's free for 3 months, and then you will need to have some sort of subscription going forward if you do want to keep it. And as you can see at the top, it covers 4. Some more information here. So that's up to you whether you want to make use of the 3 months, and then if you do want to keep it, you could sign up to a subscription. So night vision. So at the moment it's set to black and white, but it does have color night vision. As I mentioned before, you will be seeing footage of both a little later on, and then it also has smart night vision. So then we've got rotate mode. So the camera will rotate at the bottom, as you can see here, it will rotate 180 degrees. We have recording mode. It's off at the moment, but I could select full-time recording or motion recording, voice prompts, outdoor mode, cloud. Now I won't have anything here because I haven't made use of the 1 month trial or signed up to the thing because I have a SD card in mind. Okay, let's have a look at some daytime and nighttime footage. Before I show you the footage, I would just quickly like to mention The quality you guys are going to see will be slightly reduced to what I'm seeing, because I'm going to upload this to YouTube and YouTube compress the file. Do let us know what you think of the image quality. The app isn't difficult to use, it's a straightforward app. I mean, ZOSI have been around for a while, so they know what they're doing. Because this has full night vision, it's still decent. For the price, it's a decent piece of kit. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, leave a like and please do subscribe to watch more reviews. I'll see you in my next video.